What if engineering solutions were ready to operate from the moment it arrives? This was one of the very crucial requirements from one of our clients who is into housing development projects. Introducing our custom-built odor control units. Every unit can be tailored to custom dimensions, designed to meet the most demanding site requirements. A skid-mounted construction means that there is no guesswork or hassles at site. Just position it, connect it, and power it up. A true plug-and-play solution, saving valuable time and labor. This system in particular is equipped with flame-proof fan, which is also AMCO certified. The complete equipment is designed for longevity. The vessel, fan, damper valve, and the control panel casing are made of non-corrosive FRP, and the fasteners are all in SS316 stainless steel, ensuring the entire assembly resists even the harshest environments. When engineering meets intuition, installation becomes effortless and reliability becomes a standard. This is built for those who demand the best.